Everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna be discussing how to connect the Tone wallet with the MemeFi coin. For that, the process is very simple. So there is no direct way to connect the MemeFi coin with the Tone wallet other than the indirect way, which is I'm gonna show you in a minute. So just go to the Telegram and go to the MemeFi bot. In the MemeFi bot, go and open up the application by clicking on play button. So once you do it, the first thing you will see is a make transaction option. So it says send a token transaction and receive a reward in coins. So all you have to do is to tap on make transaction button. So what it will do, it will basically connect your Telegram wallet in which you have stored your tone with the MemeFi application. So just tap on make transaction and wait till the connection happens. So here you can see that it says that insufficient balance as I don't have more than 0.48 token, but it requires 0.5 token plus the blockchain fees. So that is around about like 0.56. So I don't have that much money in my that much tone in my Telegram wallet, but this is how you can actually connect the tone wallet with the MemeFi coin. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.